The Santa Clarita Public Library is excited to share with each of you a big change coming to online programming. All Zoom presentations and events will now be available by registration, so don't forget to sign up to receive the link to attend. Here's a brief overview of how to sign up. From our website, santaclaritalibrary.com, click on Events. This will bring up our events calendar so you can see what programs are being offered. All events that require registration will have this symbol in the corner. After you have selected the event you want to register for, click once to see the event details. Scroll down to the View More button and click to expand. A registration page will load for you to fill in your basic information. Please note that the name and email used here will appear on your registration. You will be asked if you have signed the city's participation waiver. The link to do so can be found just to the right here. This waiver will need to be signed prior to being admitted into the Zoom event. For events that happen more than once, only one registration will be required. Reminders are always helpful so that you don't miss your event. And as always, you can receive more information or ask questions by contacting the event organizer that's listed here. To complete your Zoom participation waiver, read the terms and click the first box to agree. Click on the link to review the code of conduct prior to checking the second box. If you are registering your children, please select participants under the age of 18. This will allow you to register up to 5 minor participants at a time. Otherwise, select over 18 and enter your own name. The names listed on the participation waiver will be the screen names needed to be let into the program. Please ensure that the two match when entering the Zoom room. We hope that you find that this is easy and that you enjoy our programs for months to come.